Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Robinhood options. First, understand that options are contracts giving you the right to buy or sell an asset at a set price by a certain date. To begin, you must apply and be approved for options trading within the Robinhood app. Once approved, you will gain access to trade both call and put options on a wide range of underlying stocks. This approval process ensures you have a basic understanding of the risks involved. Let's differentiate between call and put options. A call option grants the holder the right to purchase 100 shares of an underlying stock at a specific price, known as the strike price, before the expiration date. Conversely, a put option provides the right to sell 100 shares at its strike price. These contracts are typically bought or sold in increments of 100 shares, reflecting the standard contract size. To place your first options trade, begin by searching for a stock and navigating to its detail page. Tap the Trade button, then select Trade Options. Here, you will choose an expiration date and then a specific strike price. Next, you'll define your order type, such as a limit order, and the quantity of contracts you wish to trade. Finally, review all the details carefully before submitting your order. It is crucial to understand that options trading carries significant risk, and you could lose your entire investment. Options provide leverage, meaning a small price movement in the underlying stock can lead to a much larger percentage gain or loss in your option contract. We recommend starting with basic strategies, like buying calls or puts, and using small position sizes. Always trade responsibly and only with capital you can afford to lose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.